We're at DSEI on the penultimate day of the show, and I have here Hans Lindgren, Head of Business Development, Training and Simulation from Saab, who is going to tell us a bit about their activities and their latest contracts. So maybe we can start out by just explaining what you offer and the advantages of the training and simulation systems that Saab offers.
Our business unit is active in 4 different segments. It is live training, laser-based simulation. It is the virtual segment, training small arms and shoulder-launched anti-tank weapons. It is as well training support and pop-up targets for live firing. That is the capability we have, and in some of the segment we could proudly say we're world leading.
And can you maybe give a breakdown of what each of those 4 areas are?
If we relate to the live training segment, it includes laser-based simulation equipment, as well instrumentation, radio systems to collect data and to provide simulations of area weapon effects, and of course collecting the data for later analysis and after action. Pop-up targets includes moving and stationary targets for infantry and armed armory forces to do live firing training. The training service includes both maintenance and operational support to give the best benefit of the investment to customer. And the virtual, it is weapons in use, training soldiers to behave correctly, exactly with the right ballistic, to train their skills in front of a screen, so computer-based more or less.
And it seems like you have quite a large number of customers in Europe, even the U.S. Army in Europe. Maybe you can explain a little bit about how, in fact, this allows some of these countries to actually train together.
If we refer to the map behind us, it is the map that gives information about where we have delivered system, and what is unique with Saab, especially in Europe, including, as you said, US Army, is that there is a number of countries in our user community that have made an agreement to have or use the same interfaces, and that enables them to plug and play, train with each other. So you can take a soldier from US, send them all the way up north to Sweden, conduct an exercise together with the Finns, Norwegians, UK, whatever you like, and they are plug and play capable on the laser interface, the radio interfaces, and they can be training and be evaluated, certified in the same exercise. And we warmly welcome our newest customer, which is Belgium. They have asked for more or less the same capability, a fully deployable, scalable solution, enable them to train on battalion level, both for light role infantry and mechanized forces. So we're happy to have them, and let's see if they are a part of the interoperability work as well. I think they will, but that's in their future decision.
The Belgians had been training with the Dutch before on the Saab equipment, and then they decided to get equipment of their own. So I guess this is a very good way of promoting interoperability, and especially when you have small countries which are working together or would be operating together.
I think we should say that every nation have to cooperate. There will not be boundaries, nations conducting a war on their own, as it always have been in Europe. They're all dependencies, and that require a well-prepared force, a well-trained force across borders, across functions, and Belgium will be one of those, of course. They have, as you said, previous experience by borrowing mainly equipment from the Netherlands, made small adaptations to fit their purposes to the small arms weapons, and they have blended into their capabilities in a way or another. I'm not fully aware of how far that has been done in the past. It has been an agreement on nation level, Belgium and Netherlands.
Okay, well, thank you very much. I think I'm going to have to now try out your Carl Gustav simulator.
There you go, good shot. You got him.